I want to drop some knowledge on you guys. My dad and my little brother came over. They're both 6 foot to help me hang some pictures because I'm 5'2". And my dad is a really, really knowledgeable person, and he dropped a lot of knowledge. And I was like, this is something that I think I should share with people. And he was excited to teach me to share with you guys. So come with us and hang pictures. Drywall anchors. Did you know that if you just put the drywall anchor into the drill bit slot, you find out which drill bit you need to use for the drywall anchor? Me either, but my dad knew that. I have been guesstimating my whole life. This is so much easier. This first picture was pretty easy. The hook for it was a little damaged, so I had to unbend it. But after we finished with that, we hung it, and it looks beautiful. Slay. My dad wanted me to tell you that the way he found center on this wall of closets was using the slits. There were 8 of them, so we counted back 4, and that's the center. So we measured from the top down to my lights, and then we added the measurement from the top of the frame to the hole, drilled some holes in, put some drywall anchors, hung some pictures. My dad really likes that these pictures are with a white frame. He said it makes them pop. What do you guys think? This next one was pretty easy. I just had to be careful because we didn't know what was behind the wall, and he had me drilling. So he told me to go really slow, and as soon as I went through the sheetrock to pull back. So I did, so we didn't accidentally nick what could be behind the wall, which we just simply don't know. I'm renting. We don't know. For this one, okay, this was difficult, but he taught me a really cool trick. So instead of measuring on straight on, if we measure on an angle and get all even numbers and we find half of that, when we put the tape measure back the correct way, it's center. Big brain moves. I can't do fractions, so this was really helpful for me. He was like, I hope this is straight, and it was not straight. So we thought about a million ways to make it level, and then I was like, oh, let me just put a bit of tissue behind the hook and the screw, and somehow that worked. It is my biggest accomplishment to date. The last picture that we were hanging was actually a picture that my dad got for my mom for their anniversary, and he let me have it for my apartment. He mentioned here that my tape measure has a little bit of give at the top, so to make sure measurements are correct, I should be measuring off the 1 inch onward. The last one we just hung up with some command strips. But yeah, this is it. We finished it. If you guys want a blooper reel, comment down below.